Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to do video verification on ID.me. So video verification in ID.me usually means a liveness check. So it has to be operated by the agent itself. You cannot do it on your own sweet time. So it takes time or it takes an appointment time. The first thing you have to go ahead and open up your ID.me and then log in into your account. When you're logged in, click the profile and go to my accounts. From here, go to my wallet, and over here you need to select the method of verifying your account. And when you actually go ahead and select the method of verifying, upload the document that has been asked. And lastly, when you're done completing all of these procedure or submitting your documents, then you'll be asked to do a face verification. In that case, an agent's gonna call you. Only then your face will be verified, or it will be confirmed that the documents you provided belongs to the following user or that it belongs to you. Only after completing your video verification, your account will be verified or you'll get verified. So that is how you can do video verification on ID.me. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.